If I could wish for something for my 17-year-old self, I would wish that someone had sat me down at that time and told me about these things that I am about to tell you now, because that would save me so many years of overthinking. Hi, I'm Asmita, and I'm a 20-year-old college student. And in 2 years of my college, I have found out some things by myself that people around me have never explained to me. I have literally written down notes for you so that you do not have to wait for anybody else to explain it to you. Let's start now. Number one, learn a skill apart from your academics, something completely different. Now, you can call this a student specific thing, but it is so important for you. All know everybody nowadays is learning the same course, everybody has the same qualifications, and the only way for you to shine out in this crowd or for you to look different among others is your hard skills. Now, this may be coding, this may be graphic designing or video editing or drawing or painting, anything. You can make your hobby into a hard skill, but these really have the capacity to become the field you work in or the field that you earn from. So it's really important to have a skill other than your line of academics. Number two, you do not need a huge friend circle. Now, I've learned this the hard way, but I got into college thinking that I would have a huge friend group. I would have a lot of friends to hang out with, and it's quite the opposite now. I have about 4 to 5 good friends, and trust me, they are more than enough. Try spending your time focusing on quality over quantity. Three, stop thinking about what others will think of you. People around you literally do not care about how you look or what you do unless it is harming them. And this is universal, whether you are 18 or whether you're 40. Everyone has their own problems. Everyone has their own life. You also should not use up your time and energy to please others. Just take care of yourself and your close ones. Next, start early. People realize their course of action after they've turned like 30, but that is how normally it is in our society. But the world will not move at your pace. You do not have to wait till you are old enough or till you are ready. Start planning things out for yourself, start trying things out from now itself. These are your years. You will not have the time to try out things and find out what works for you. Learn to say no without feeling guilty. People do not owe you anything, and neither do you. Saying no is not always considered rude, and even if it is, you have now the courage to speak up for yourself, and that is enough. You keep saying yes to everything that others ask of you. You are just giving away your limited time for others' work. Protect your health before you need to. Now, I'm saying this as a friend, you can say, but sleeping, walking, having enough protein, drinking enough water, meditating. By the time you will find out that sugar should be avoided, you will have diabetes. By the time you realize that smoking is not worth it, you will find out that your lungs are given up. You need to buckle up now itself. Earn first. Follow your passion afterward. You need to realize that you have bills to pay, you have things to buy for yourself, for your close ones. You have to make your life better. You cannot waste your years just following your passion. You can do it afterwards, but if you are successful in earning from your passion already, then that's good for you. Learn financial management. You can keep everything checked, but your finances also cannot go unattended. Earlier you start, the quicker you learn that financial management does not only mean savings. Money from your family every month, like I do. Start treating it as your salary. Keep an emergency fund. Invest, save. If you can, then start a micro business with it. Mainly, do not fall into sale traps. Have to differentiate your needs from your wants. Want, I can definitely make a video on financial management, especially for college students. So just drop a comment below. Do not let your emotions control you every time. I don't want to do it. I don't feel like it today. I'm too upset to go now. I don't want to talk. If you don't do it now, you do not get to do it like ever. Nobody is waiting for you with an opportunity. Your chance will now just travel to someone else. Trust me, there will be a whole lot of other people waiting to do something that you won't just because of your emotions. Are basically just digging your own grave by not doing things and letting your emotions get in the way of what needs to get done. Okay, so that is it for this video. And I know it was a quick one, but these are important things that need to be said. If you liked the video, then go ahead and hit the like. Leave a comment about what you have learned in your adult years that you wish other people knew as well. And subscribe to my channel. I don't know why I feel embarrassed to say this every time, but yeah, subscribe to my channel. And also, here is my Instagram, and the link is also in the description. So if you want to follow me and my lifestyle as well, you can go hit a follow there. Bye.